Got a Goodman outdoor unit. We're just doing a spring startup on this one. Already got the panel pulled off here with the electrical components. Obviously you want to try to get all the cobwebs and everything out of there. Clean everything up here. This has got a closed contactor here, so you shouldn't have any earwigs or any bugs or anything getting inside the contact there. We'll check the capacitor. It's a dual capacitor. Obviously we got the disconnect pulled out here, so there's no power. Wanted to discharge the capacitor. And what you want to do is always check the microfarads on it, obviously. So you can leave the common on. So from one common over to the fan, you got 4.3, should be 5. You got plus or minus about 5%. It's actually a little bit low. Should work fine. And that's about 41 on the compressor, should be 45. Once again, that's a little low, 5% give, but should work fine. I'll probably recommend a new one on this one, just because they are kind of a little out of range. But we'll throw these back on. We'll get some running pressures and everything. We'll let it run for just a few moments here to get a good pressure reading. Obviously we're going to try to clean up the coil. This one's actually not that bad, but we're going to take a hose and clean it up real good. Also on the inside, we checked the air filter. It's a brand new filter. Customer just changed it, so that's good. So we're all set here. 410A system. We got 140 on the low side there. That's perfect. So pressures are good. Just went inside. 56 degrees out of the supply, 74 out of the return. It's 18 degree split. That's good. We're gonna hose off the outside coil and put it back together. We should be all set on this one. All right, so we're gonna change out this dual capacitor here. I got the unit disconnect pulled out, so we have no power. Gonna discharge it. And these are pretty simple to do. Just got like a little mounting bracket here, one screw holding it in. You can make it real easy on yourself and just do one wire at a time. So the yellow one's for the hermetic compressor. Brown one's for the fan. You want to make sure the terminals are nice, intact and everything. A lot of times they'll blow off, get little scorch marks on them and things like that. But everything looks good. These two left are on the C terminal, common. You got the little lip on the capacitor. So I just kind of put those right on the bracket. That way you're definitely not going to move anywhere. And that's it.